funny. You went
Yeah, I was scared.
On our way to Busan today. I'm very excited.
Salt bread. Remind me of our favorite one. I put the second.
Random Bakery was my favorite.
Yeah.
Salt 24 and then this.
I like the Random Bakery, then this, then Salt 24. Came out from Paris croissant.
So soft. The bread is just so good.
We got some food for the train. We're going off to Busan. Busan with Dan.
Good bread.
All of this cost us
I told you.
$30. This is her second breakfast. She had a bagel this morning and a coffee.
I don't know how to say it, but I just went to Toilet Joie. Another salt bread. I'll try them all just to see how I rank them.
Not bad. I'm getting full of bread. Let's go.
Yeah, picking the cake next. What I'm most excited to try in Busan is the fish cake. See how it compares to Seoul and seafood. I don't know. I think Busan is just a different vibe in general. So I'm keen to like explore that.
What?
It's so cool that you can bring dogs everywhere, like in shopping centers, in the bus and the train. They're so like pet friendly here. It's so cute. But then in Australia, everyone's like, no. That's what they are like.
Yeah, it's really cool.
But Australians love dogs, but then they don't let them go anywhere.
Hope this doesn't fall.
Oh my god, that actually looks so tough. Like as soon as the train goes a little bit this way, I'm dead.
Just careful, brace your neck at all times.
Yeah. I already have a broken neck from skiing.
Yeah, same. At least yours, not mine. Haha. What's on your table, Ed?
Kimbap. Left there, kimbap.
Oh, nice. Daniel, what's on your table, bro?
Inke Gayo sandwich.
Uh-huh.
Ham and egg, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And this kimbap, which looks kind of nice.
Mm.
And then your colt for the big boy.
Yeah, for the big boy. What's on your table, Daddy? What's on your table?
Bread. Macadamia Dan. Bread. Pecan tart.
Pecan tart.
Oh my god.
Curry bun.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. I bought the same one. Ah, nice. What's on our table? Pretzel snacks. Corn snacks. Pretzel snacks. Egg tart. Daph strawberry croissant. I got this jalapeno hot dog. Oh, that's it on my plate. And some water.
Welcome aboard the Cape.
Mmm. Got sauce inside. Mmm, nothing. Mmm. What a delight. Mmm. Has an essence in it, but it's whatever. You're fucking.
What's that?
The air's a little bit different in Busan. The people look a little bit nicer.
They in fact were not.
Busan is good.
I really like it already.
What do you like about it?
the vibes.
Yeah.
But I've just been outside the station, so I don't know. I think I'm biased. I want to like Busan.
Yeah, stuffed sole, man. They can suck my cock. I'm cutting it out. All good. This reminds me of New York. Have you been to New York?
I actually have.
No pork, no life. Behind the scenes. Oh, that was a good one.
There's an ice spice thing.
What's the ice spice one?
You put it on your cookie. You put it on your cookie.
Why do you know this shit?
Oh, it's kind of dark already, huh?
It is, eh?
It's pretty quick, but it's nice. It's different. We literally been to like all different terrains.
Yeah. This is like fish and chip shops around here, huh?
Yeah, I think this is like the boardwalk of it is like way better than Gold Coast.
Yeah, it's way better. Gold Coast actually sucks.
You saved my life. How could I repay you?
Money, please. It's from Parks and Rec.
Yeah.
It's like a box of like just like firecrackers and fireworks or something.
Oh, what?
A Roman candle? I don't know. Oh wait, they're the ones that do shoot at.
These ones shoot. Like
shoot?
you
They
just
shoot.
hold it and then it shoots.
That shoots, yeah. I'm gonna shoot a tin. I'm gonna light it.
Shoot up my ass. I don't know what the rules are. Do I just do it on the beach or something?
Dude, I don't know. $4, man? Get up yeah.
Hey, excuse me. This one, where do you do it? Do you do it on the beach?
Yes.
Everyone can do it? I will.
yes.
Cash only, but you can do it at the beach right now.
Oh, that's so sick.
Well, that's all I asked, because that's the...
That's the laws of it. That's sick.
We have to, right? We're gonna get it later, but apparently you can just do it on the beach right now. Look, fireworks. What are we waiting for?
The drone show at 7 p.m. And I'm very excited for it because I have no idea what to expect.
Oh, it's gonna be a face. That's awesome. Oh! Yes! That's our anniversary. Oh, family!
Imagine if that said like eat shit or something. That's so cool! Wow! Oh, they turned the light on. Oh, if you see some barbecue, shout out because I would like to have some barbecue too. I'm kind of salivating thinking about it. We stumbled across a K-pop concert in Busan.
This is the best thing ever at the moment. Drinking and KBBQ. Better than drugs. Don't do drugs, do drinking and KBBQ instead.
Unroll it.
Oh, yeah. beasted. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I got
He
this
gave
one.
us 2 more. He came out and gave it to us.
How was that meal for you?
Oh my god, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Shout out the place.
Yeah. Wherever this is. Siore. Siore. Thank you, Siore, since 2027.
He thinks that tightening his shoes will help him kick better. You got the worst score.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Bellissimo.
Just
Look what I got.
Just flex.
Yeah, this is a flex. This is my card holder in Seoul. And look at my little card. I had to get a new one from Busan. But look, it's so cute. It's like pretty much my go card for Busan. It's so cute, right?
Yeah, it's so cute. Oh my god, look at me. I got fireworks.
What you laughing at? What you laughing at? What you laughing
He's
at?
cute, bro. I don't know.
25 shamisa. We got banana. And we got big boom boom. Big flower boom boom.
We literally just got it from a convenience store. We're gonna like blow these fireworks
Can I
up
borrow your
on the
lighter,
beach.
Daniel?
Okay, so we just went to the beach, and I was a little skeptical of being able to do fireworks on the beach with like hundreds of people here. So I was like, well, ask this security guard just in case. I don't really want to get arrested in a foreign country. And what do you know? You can't do it at the beach. But also pretty dog of that like lady in the convenience store.
Yeah. Why the fuck you lying? The
Shit.
fuck you lying?
She said it was okay to do it at the beach. I don't know. What the actual hell? We were just walking along the beach and what do you know? Edward finds a card that he lost with his Australian SIM card on it, but someone stole his T-Money card, right?
Thanks.
Like it's gone.
Yes. I'm glad the internet can hear about this.
We
gotta refund it. I gotta walk all the way back there.
Oh my god, are you for real? Ah, walk of shame, bro. Dude, the security guards just told us like, nah, can't do it anywhere. These ladies fucking lie.